internet marketers pretty well agree that in today's atmosphere with the search engines, it's very difficult to put up an affiliate site, fill it with page after page of images and text from Amazon, eBay, and other affiliate programs, and expect to get much acceptance with the search engines. Nowadays, you have to have good, unique content. You have to add value. And one way of convincing search engines that you have value on your affiliate sites is offer some pages with good, unique content. And don't fill those pages with link after link and image after image of affiliate products. But you do need to have something on the page to help your visitors to your site find their way to these affiliate places such as Amazon. One way of doing that is to add a very small composite image of various products that your site is optimized for. And in this video, I'm going to show you a very easy process to do that with a blog that is aimed at Amazon products and Google AdSense. As an example of this technique, I'm showing you a blog that is optimized for a product called stainless steel turkey fryers. And on this blog, rather when a person first arrives here, rather than showing them page after page or link after link or image after image of the same thing they could find on Amazon, in other words, if all I'm doing on my blog is putting the same thing they can find on Amazon, why do they need me? Why not go directly to Amazon? So I want to first of all try to optimize the blog so that the search engines will consider it a blog that's offering value, and that a visitor might decide, even after going to Amazon or even clicking a AdSense ad, that they might want to come back and look for more information. So I've set up a static home page, and I've got an article on the first page about turkey fryers. No links in the one. Now I could very easily add some kind of subtle links down through here, and I may experiment with that later, but I found out that I have very good luck if I just have some pages on the site that are not overblown with ads and whatnot. And I also have I've actually got 5 pages on here now with 5 different articles set up the same way. Information, pretty much information only, but I do have to remember that my whole purpose for building this blog is to make income. So how can I convince people to go to Amazon and take a look at some of these products? Well, at the end of the article, I could put a call to action, which would be maybe an image and a link for more information on this product, or for the best price on this product, click here. But what I'd like to do is right at the top, because again I'm interested in getting the most important information at the top, what's called the above the fold part of the website. When someone gets here, what do they see? So what we're going to do here is right underneath this header, we're going to make a composite banner that will be clickable, that when they click on it, it'll take them to Amazon. Remember, our goal here is to get them to do one of two things: either click on an AdSense ad and make us a commission, or somehow click on a link or a banner or an image and get them to Amazon, where they can either make a purchase or have a cookie set, and if they come back later and buy something, not only the item that they clicked on, but any item on Amazon will make a commission. So let me show you a quick little method of putting together a composite that we can put on this page. Alright, the first part of this process is go to Amazon and find some images of the products that you're promoting. So I'm just going to pick about 5 of these products. I'll right click on it, click on Save Image As. And I'll just name these images Fryer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just, and you can name them anything you like, just something simple. And I'll save that image. And as soon as it's saved, I'll go back and grab another one. Save image as fryer 2. Well, you see the process, so now I'll go ahead and get the other 3. I'll turn the video off and go get the other 3, and then we'll take the next step. Now that I've saved 5 images, the next little job is to open up Paint. And what I'm going to do now is open up each one of these images and reduce them in size. I know that on my particular blog I've got a space of about 400 pixels wide, and somewhere around 60 to 75 pixels high makes a pretty good image. So what I'm going to do now is open each one of these. And I'm going to click on Image, Resize, and take it down to about 70%. And now I'm going to check the size of that by clicking on Attributes, and it tells me that it's 81 by 81, so I'm going to need it a little bit smaller than that. So I can click on Edit and Undo, and then I'll go back in and take this down to, let's try 60%. I may have to go down to 50%, but let's see what this does for us. Attributes again. That's pretty good. 69 by 69. So I'm going to go ahead and do this now. Well, first of all, I'll save this file, save as, and I'll save it as exactly the same. And it'll tell me there's already there. Do I want to replace it? Now I could just put an A after this or another number and save the original, but in this case I don't need it, so I'll just go ahead and click on yes. And now I'll go ahead and do the other 4. I'll shut the video off while I do that. Now that I've got the images down to a workable size, I'm going to make a composite now. And to do that, well, let me go back and click on Image again and Attributes. We know these are 69 pixels high, okay? So I'm going to go back now and I'm going to click on New, and I'm going to make that image 69 by about 350. It should be enough to get all 5 of those in. If not, I can make it larger. Whoop, that won't work. Let me change that. Attribute should be 350 wide, not 350 high. Although if I was making something for a sidebar, I could very easily make a skyscraper banner the same way. Alright, now to bring those images in here, I click on Edit and Paste From, click on the first one or whichever one I want, and click on Open, and it'll bring it in. Then just click on there, go back to Edit, Paste From, grab another one, Open, move it where I want it, go back and grab another one, Edit, Paste From, move it, get another, move it, and one more. Bring it over here on the end for a little variety. Okay, that worked out pretty well at 350 pixels wide. Now what I'll do is save this image file, save as, and I need to save it something, so I'm going to name it Composite. Fryer. And I'll save it as a JPEG, but you could save it as a GIF or a PNG if you like. So I'll save that now. And the next thing I'll do is paste this into the blog. But before I paste it in the blog, I also want to make this hyper so that when they click on it on my blog, it takes them to Amazon. So now I have to go to Amazon and get a link to the page where these particular products reside. Alright, back at Amazon, up in the upper left hand, I make sure I'm on the page that I want to send my potential customers to. And then up in the upper left hand corner, there's a link here. It says link to this page. If I click on that, it produces this code, and then I can name the link whatever I choose to. I'm just putting this in here to show you what would happen. This, I don't use it this way, but I want to show you what happened now. Now I'm going to copy that code, and I'm going to paste it into an HTML editor to show you what would show up on my page if I chose to use it. Okay, assume that this would be my blog, and I'd post that text in there that I got from Amazon, and then when you look at the page, this is what you would see. You'd have a link. So if you want to put a link in the middle of your articles, you could even put the item number on here, stainless steel turkey fryer, model number such and such. So this would be a way to put a hyperlink right within your article. But what we're interested in doing is linking that image, that composite image we just made, to this article. So how do we do that? Alright, what we need to make our image hyperlink back to Amazon is just a portion of this. Okay, all we need to do is start right here where it says HTTP, and we're going to copy this whole link all the way back to this quotation mark here. I'm just going to copy this, and now we're going to use this as our hyperlink for that image. Alright, I've done this now just to show you the portion of that we want for our hyperlink. So now we'll go back to our blog and insert the image and see if we can make it link back with this link. Back in the dashboard on the blog now, I've gone to pages, and I found this page that I want to insert this image into. And up just above the text is a little box here, and if you hover over it, it says add an image. So I'll click on that. Well, let me back up just one. I want to do one more thing first. First I want to make sure that I have my cursor blinking where I want that image to be, and now we'll go up here, and now I'll select the files, and then I have to go to my computer and find that image, which I'm pretty sure, if memory serves, was Composite Fryer. I'll open that. And now it's going to ask for some more information. Scroll down, and there's a title. And now alternate text is very important for SEO because search engines cannot see images, and so those images don't do you any good when they come to your site. So you want to have an alternate text here, and the alternate text, of course, should include your keyword. So I'm putting the stainless steel turkey fryer in there, and I'm not going to fool with the caption, and I'm not going to put it in the description, but I have to take this link out here because this link is the link to that image on my computer, and that won't do me any good. And now I'm going to paste in the hyperlink that we got from Amazon. And then I'm going to decide that I want this to be a full-size image, 350 by 69. I want it to be in the center. And now all I need to do is click on Insert into Post. And now we have this image inserted into the post, so we need to update that. And then we'll go out to the page and take a look and see what we've done. Alright, back on our blog now, you'll see that just underneath the header our image shows now. So it's you know, it's not an in-your-face, get here real quick and buy this. Nothing like that. It's just a little subtle image up there, and people love to click images. And when they hover over this, they can tell, alright, this is a hyperlink. Now you could put a little code underneath here. Click here for more information on these products if you want, but what I'm trying to do here is just provide a little subtle image that they can click on, and if you click on it, it does take them back over to Amazon on the exact page that I want them to be on, where there's all this information on these various items over here. And that's all there is. It's just that simple to add composite photographs, or composite images rather, to your site. To get more information and tips and tricks on these type of affiliate blogs, stop by oneclicklearning.com. Have a great day.